Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme GT versus iPhone 12. So during this time of comparison, I'll try to use the 5 applications and 5 games which are batting on mobile game Asphalt 9 and Call of Duty and Snapdragon 888 processor versus Apple A14 Bionic chipset on the iPhone 12. So this is going to be really very interesting comparison between these both phones side by side, and all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management as well. That's also fantastic. Let's see friends which phone can actually open these games and applications faster. And first let me show you the Wi-Fi connection. So both phones are connected to same Wi-Fi connection, 2.4 GHz network only. That's kind of perfect. So both phones same Wi-Fi, no issues. Now let's start with the first application, which is a Chrome application. And all the apps are clear. Let's start with the first Chrome application. Let me slightly zoom into the phone so you'll be able to focus exactly. So 1, 2 and 3, boom. iPhone did open fast, and here is the Apple website. And Realme GT was able to open like slightly faster than the iPhone 12 at this moment. It's taking some time. I'm not sure why there's no internet connection. Still the Wi-Fi is connected to the same Wi-Fi network only, 2.4 GHz. Finally it did open. It did take a little bit kind of time as well. Let's start with the speed test. So let's see what's happening with the speed, Wi-Fi speed. So both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network only. As you can see, 2.4 GHz, 2.4 GHz, same Wi-Fi network I'm trying to use. And is a speed test. And do let me know in the comment section below friends, in case if you are interested in any other comparisons, I can definitely do the side-by-side comparison with other phones as well in this manner. So we'll be able to understand more details. Right now we got about 65 upload speeds, 145 download speeds in the Realme GT, and in the iPhone we got 99.7. Prime videos, Realme GT little bit kind of faster, did open slightly fast, Realme GT. Flipkart, both are kind of same. And let's open the games. I'm trying to load some applications as well inside the app. And is Amazon mobiles. Let's select a random phone. Yep. I'm just trying to observe the loading speed. And next is a game. So these are the games which I'm going to compare between these both phones. Let's start with the Subway Surf game. So Realme GT did open slightly faster the Subway Surf in terms of animations, but iPhone 12 did open first, even though the animation was fast in the Realme GT. Let's see the Temple Run. So Temple Run, it's kind of not bad. So pretty close. Temple Run as well. Nothing much huge difference. Yes, exactly same. Next is the Battlegrounds mobile game. So now we'll be able to see the difference. Snapdragon 888 processor versus iPhone 12. And Realme GT, it did take some time to load, as you can see, so much time it's taking to load this game. And iPhone 12 did load complete game without any kind of problem, as you can see. That's pretty fast in terms of the loading speed from the iPhone. And still the Realme GT is taking time to load. Next is Asphalt 9 game. Let's see with Asphalt 9 what's going to happen. And after this I'll try to do plenty of other comparison friends with other phones as well using this iPhone 12. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know how the other phones are actually behaving when compared with iPhone 12. That's going to be really very interesting to see comparison. iPhone 12 did open slightly faster than the Realme GT. Final game, which is a Call of Duty game. After this game, we're going to check the RAM management. Which phone has got really very good RAM management. So this is a very intense kind of testing friends. Opening 3 big games and trying to look after the RAM management as well. That's kind of really very intense kind of testing. And both phones are loading at this moment, not bad. And first phone to load, I think the Realme GT, it's kind of booting a little bit faster, but let's see. iPhone 12 did open the Call of Duty game first, not a problem. So final friends, all the 5 applications and 5 games are completely open between these both phones, which you can actually see exactly as it is. Everything is completely open. As you can see, completely fine. Now let's check out the RAM management, what's going to happening between these two phones. Let's start from the first application, which is a Chrome application. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So both phones did not keep them in the background RAM management. They did reload. And next is a speed test application. You can see the speed test results, right? 19.3 and 41.45.1, which is not there in the Realme GT. iPhone was able to keep it in the background. So Realme UI is not that great in terms of the RAM management, friends, basically. So both phones were able to keep, no issues. And Flipkart iPhone went directly to the home page, but Realme GT did keep the in the background. Amazon, it did went back to the home page, but iPhone did keep exact same phone in the background. Next is the games. Subway Surf, both phones did close Subway Surf. That's kind of equal points, I can say. Next is a Temple Run. Temple Run also, both phones cannot keep in the background. As I said, this is a kind of very intense kind of testing, friends. Battlegrounds mobile game also not there in the background. So both phones are struggling to keep this many games in the background RAM management. And next is Asphalt 9, also not there in the Realme GT, but there in the iPhone 12. As you can see, iPhone 12, it has got background RAM management. That's kind of weird. Finally is a Call of Duty game. Call of Duty game also there in the iPhone 12. So the iPhone 12 was able to maintain slightly kind of upper hand in terms of the RAM management as well. Even the speed also slightly better in the iPhone 12 when compared with the Realme GT. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this a quick comparison between both phones. Snapdragon 888 processor versus Bionic A14 chipset, and we got to know the results for ourselves, what is happening exactly. And in the Realme GT, I am trying to use the external RAM capabilities as well, 8 plus 5 GB, but still the results are like this regarding the RAM management. As you can see, still it's taking some time to load all the apps, so which are not staying in the background RAM management as well. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off and bye.